What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So OnePlus has started rolling out April update for OnePlus smartphones. But sadly, this time don't expect anything new on your OnePlus smartphones with this April update. But you guys don't worry, even if OnePlus don't give you new changes, I'll provide you some new features in every video. But before that guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So here I have my OnePlus 13. Yesterday this device received a new update of OxygenOS 16. So if I go to the about section, here you can see it's still OxygenOS 16.0.5, but the version have been changed. I mean the end number, previously it was 701, now it's 703, and the update size was also 113 MB. And similar updates have been received on OnePlus Nord CE5. You can see 1st April 2026 along with devices like OnePlus 12R. Here you can see April 2026 security patch. And if you take a look at the change logs, the changes are only related to April security patch. Nothing new have been added on these builds. Mostly with the May update, we'll see the OxygenOS 16.1 build. And if you guys want to know what all features you guys will see on OxygenOS 16.1, you can check out the video which is being displayed on the screen. And guys, with the recent time, I've been seeing a lot of comments, people saying that OnePlus smartphones are heating a lot. And yes guys, it's not completely related to the software optimization, it's because of the weather conditions. And after updating my OnePlus 13, I did test out whether my device heats up or not. And trust me, this device temperature was very close to 50 degrees Celsius while testing the benchmark scores. And due to which, even benchmark scores are getting affected. So even if you play game, I did play BGMI, there also I did notice slight dips in the graph where I could feel frames were dropping. And if you see here, with apps like Wildlife Extreme Stress Test, stability scores are quite low now, which are 67.2%. And similar way, with Geek Benchmark application also we are seeing slight lower scores, and same thing goes with the Antutu Benchmark application. So it's normal guys, in summers we do face a lot of heating issues. It's not only with OnePlus smartphones, I've been testing multiple smartphones and every smartphone heats now and then, even with the normal usage. Though if you guys want to update to April security patch, you can just go to the software update section, tap on these three dots and go inside the beta program and check for the update. Here you should find the update of the latest build. As said, it's just a security patch update, nothing else. I've seen on OnePlus 12R some users are getting the same update with a size of somewhere around 1.13 GB. But trust me, there's nothing changed other than the security patch. And now let's talk about that feature or the change you can get in outdoor mode. So if you guys remember, previously OnePlus did roll out a feature called outdoor mode on OnePlus smartphones. So this is the outdoor mode present on my OnePlus Nord 5. And if you're not aware about this feature, outdoor mode increases your internet speed, provides you more accurate location services and improves stability. Here we have the supported applications which are supported. You can see there are very few applications which do supports outdoor mode. But now on this device, which is OnePlus 13, here if I open up the outdoor mode, you can now manually add the applications. For this, you just have to update the outdoor mode application. The link can be found in the description below, and we got this link from PUI Telegram group, where you can see now you have so many applications which supports outdoor mode. And if you're using outdoor mode, you'll have a dock like this where you can add maximum 4 applications. So here, for example, if I'm using the outdoor mode, generally I use applications like Twitter, Telegram, camera, and even apps like calculator. So once I've set those 4 applications, I just have to tap on done, and now you can see this is how the dock will appear if you're using the outdoor mode, where you can easily switch between the applications just with a single tap. I mean those 4 applications which you have added in the outdoor mode. Towards the right hand side, you get an option where you can exit the outdoor mode, go to the settings and change the settings, and if you want to open the application in full screen, that can also be done. Once you enable full screen, you'll see a floating icon of outdoor mode. Tapping on it, you can again get back that dock towards the bottom side. So these changes will be coming with the upcoming updates of OxygenOS 16. We are not exactly sure whether this application have been extracted from 16.1 or from the upcoming build of OxygenOS. But if you guys want, you can install this application and get a similar dock in the outdoor mode if you use this feature. So guys, there's nothing much to talk about this update, but still if you guys have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.